Welcome back to the vlog.
Happy Saturday, guys. Oh man, how are you doing today?
Slept late this morning.
I did sleep late this morning. I slept until like 8:45. I did not sleep good last night. I have a nice, can you see this? This beautiful stress sit that I got on the side of my face, you guys? Life is so good right now. So good. We're heading over to my granddaddy Nana's house and we're gonna cut his hair today. So that way we can get stuff done because it's kind of overcast right now and my dad needs to wait until the grass kind of gets a little less wet, dries up I guess, before he can mow. And I'm going to clean my bathroom today. I have a different breakfast this morning. Hold on, let me make sure I don't drop anything. So this morning I am having a power waffle, and this is by the brand Kodiak, and it's just like a vanilla buttermilk power waffle. I like to put peanut butter and honey and then bananas on it. It's so freaking good. My dad had one this morning too. Did you have one or two?
I had two.
So he had two power waffles this morning, but you don't put bananas on yours.
I put peanut butter and honey. And just to go off of last week's vlog, if you'll notice it's like 10:56 Troy time, which is actually 10:26 your time. And that's how late she's eating breakfast. So she probably got up, I don't know, about 30 minutes ago.
No, I said I got up at 8:45, which is true. I didn't sleep good last night at all. Because somebody, you know, now I have to be careful because somebody apparently just takes over vlogging on his own time, that Mustang. So, yeah. We did work on Disney this morning. We are working on making sure we're paying off everything good. So yes, we're gonna go to their house. I'm gonna eat this. I'm working on now getting back into really my healthy lifestyle journey kind of a thing. The past couple weeks that have just been so rough. I just wasn't doing what I should. I've not taken care of myself the way that I should. So we're gonna get back on that today. So that is what I am doing. But yeah, we'll just see you when we get to my grandparents'. Look at that smooth haircut.
Check that out right
Woo wee! That's a good looking man.
there. Thank you, baby. I appreciate that.
Okay, guys, so we are back home and my dad is going to mow the grass and I am going to clean my bathroom and wash some of my makeup brushes that need to be washed and everything. So I'm just gonna let you guys hang out with me. I know it's probably not interesting, but I do want to show you guys like my most favorite thing in my bathroom, and I've never ever shown you guys this before, but this is my cabinet that I have in here. I got it, what's good? I got it around Christmas, but not for Christmas. I got it from Bed Bath & Beyond, and it is like my favorite thing ever. This holds all of my skincare, my hair products, everything that I need in here, and I am obsessed. It holds so much stuff, and I think maybe with a coupon, because you guys know they always freaking have coupons, it was like maybe $100. I will link it down below if I can find it, and I know it comes in a couple colors, but I am obsessed, you guys. Well guys, we just did our workout. So we went to the UNCW campus, and the track that we were gonna walk on is closed. So we just walked around the campus. We did 2 miles, and every half mile, we did 20 push-ups, 20 sit-ups, and 20
air squats.
I couldn't remember the other thing. So, as you can tell by the way that I look, God, I look so bad. Like my ponytail, it looked like I'm bald.
I blowed her up.
Yeah, it was rough. But we did it, and that's all that matters. So we're gonna run by the grocery store because we're gonna grill out hot dogs on the grill tonight. So we gotta just pick up, you know, like chili, things like that. Oh my God, 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 oh my God. He didn't have plenty of
Look, there's a whole car.
There is now. There, you was so lightly pressing on the brake.
I didn't want to.
You shouldn't be in this lane.
I didn't want to mess up the vlog.
I don't even care. That made my butthole get tight, bro. You can't do it like that. Yes, we're gonna go to the store. We're gonna pick up some things for hot dogs. Pay attention. They're braking. You should be braking too. And yeah, we're gonna grill out. It's been such an overcast day, but it actually feels good outside because it's not too hot. Don't let my face right now fool you, but.
We worked in Miss Patty's, cut grass.
Oh yeah, we did. Miss Patty had a rose bush. She's our neighbor that we had to pull up. So we did that. We've been very productive today, I think.
Yeah, you got the bathroom clean.
Yeah.
I got 2 yards cut.
We'll be ready to go. Yeah. So I'm excited for hot dogs. Okay, you guys, so we just got done watching 16 Candles, me and my dad. And now we are going to make Dole Whips. So Disney released the whoa, what is English? So Disney released their recipe for Dole Whips, and it literally only calls for vanilla ice cream, pineapple juice, pineapple chunks. So we're going to attempt to make it in my food processor. So we shall see.
Did you like the movie?
Yeah, but I've seen it a bunch.
What's your favorite part? That's cute.
Don't do that.
It was a weak one. I don't know what my favorite part is. I just like it as an overall whole. I like when her dad's like, I couldn't sleep. We forgot your birthday. So that seems like some shit you would do. He would never forget my birthday.
Never forget the birthday.
But like, if you did forget it,
yeah.
that would be when you come and found me and told me about it.
Yeah.
Why are you looking
No, he still
would
does
never
Easter
do that.
baskets. He would never forget your birthday.
I know, but that's
The Easter Bunny does Easter baskets.
Yeah, right? God,
Yeah.
Christy. So we're gonna try and make these. Hopefully it turns out good. I will link the exact recipe for you guys down below in case you are interested in trying it. So yeah, wish us luck. I never ever get to use my food processor either. Thank you, God, excuse me.
Oh my God.
She's rude.
And I don't know why I can't find a boyfriend. It really just blows my mind. Regardless, Dole Whips, go. So I did it. It's not as like thick as ice cream, like it's a little soupier than that. Like I have to play with it a little bit. And like there's some chunks in there of pineapple, so it's not all smooth saucer. But I think for a first try with literally no directions other than put it in a blender, not bad. Yeah?
It's good.
That's good.
Yeah, sweet. And it made just the right amount for everybody to have a bowl this size. And that was 2 and some change cups of pineapple, 6 ounces of juice, and 2 big scoops of vanilla ice cream, right? I'll write that in the bottom bar for you guys. But yeah, if you have any tips or tricks, and especially if you have a food processor, I have a Ninja food processor, on how I could like get the consistency to be a little more like soft servy ice cream and like my chunks of frozen fruit to be less chunky, leave me those in the comment section down below. But we are going to eat this, hang out for the rest of the night, and we will see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Good morning, guys. So it is 10 o'clock, just about on the nose, and my dad and I got up this morning and we went out to Sam's to pick up a couple of things. They do like early extra hours for, what do they call you?
First responders.
First responders. I don't know why I thought they used a different term. But so because my dad is a police officer, we went and was able to get in early. It was so weird though because they require you to wear a mask inside right now. They hand you one to wear, which I did not particularly enjoy. It felt like I was sweating everywhere. It was kind of gross. And I feel so bad for anybody who has to wear glasses and a mask because you're totally fogging yourself, because I was drying out my eyeballs just regularly. But we were in and out in like 20 minutes, and so we are at the house now, obviously. We're making our coffee. We decided we were gonna have cinnamon rolls for breakfast. I know, so healthy, but we're gonna go on a bike ride later today, and it looks like the weather outside is so much nicer and so much sunnier than it was yesterday, so we may lay out by the pool. Oh yeah, look at those bad boys. Yes, they're gonna be so good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready to do something. We worked yesterday and I'm gonna relax today.
Yeah. Not much going on.
Big shout out to my buddy Corey.
Oh my God.
He responds to me.
What's up, guys? We are back home now, and we went and worked out at UNCW again because the lake we were gonna go try and ride bikes around didn't open until like 1 o'clock. Got old Troy Wayne over there.
Ready to go.
So we are about to grill out some more hot dogs for lunch today. Got all the stuff out here. We're gonna chill in our bathing suits outside and eat outside and hang out. And I wanted to show you guys what I use for my sunscreen because I discovered this last year on my cruise, and you guys, it is like the best thing ever for the price. So for my face, this is not new, but I like to use either the Neutrogena Clear Face Breakout Free Liquid Lotion Sunscreen, and it's SPF 55. I use this like as a second resort. My first favorite is this Hawaiian Tropical Weightless Face in SPF 30, so I know it's less, but I love the way it smells. Neither of these break me out, so they're both great choices. I've been using those forever, but this, you guys, I use this Copper Tone Glow with Shimmer on my body, and oh my God. So it comes in a couple SPFs, but I get it in SPF 50 because, you know, might as well take care of the skin you're in, you know what I'm saying. And you guys, this is beautiful. Like I said, I discovered it on my cruise last year when I went with Alex to the Bahamas, and a girl behind us was like sitting there and she was talking to a couple other girls that we had seen around. Like she came with her grandma, I think. And so they were talking and she was just glittering. And so I remember turning around and was like, girl, I'm so sorry to interrupt, but like, you was shining, what are you wearing? And you know how girls are, these are my favorite type of girls. She was like, girl, this right here, I got it at the Walmart, try some. And so she had me, Alex, the woman next to us, but we were all just glittering on the sky deck. It was amazing. And so I highly recommend it. I think it's maybe, if it's $10 a bottle, I may be speaking too high, but you can get it at Walmart. It's absolutely amazing. I am going to put some on and then I'll show you it outside in the sun, but it makes you look like a bronzed, glowing goddess, and I am obsessed with it. Like as soon as I got back from my cruise, I went and bought it. I used it all up last year, the ones that I bought, and so I bought 2 more so far this year, and I'm sure I'll end up buying more. So yeah, we are, like I said, grilling out hot dogs. We've got, you know, our buns, our chili, onions, chips. I'm so excited. We have Cool Ranch Doritos. What is your favorite type of Dorito, you guys? Let me know. I am a Cool Ranch hussy. My dad is more original, but I do like the ones that come in that purple bag. What are those ones? The chili or something? I don't know. What is your favorite Dorito? Let us know down in the comment section. But boom, here we are. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. I am so hungry. Can you guys see? Is it glittering good? Oh, she's shining. You guys, it's so good. I told you. Oh my gosh. My dad didn't want to wear it. I tried to ask him though. So it is dinner time now, and we made, well, we didn't make it. We buy it from Sam's, but we're having stuffed salmon fillets. Mine's kind of busted, but there's what it looks like when it's not. And then steamable corn, and these are so freaking good, you guys. And we do like a brown sugar honey and soy sauce glaze that we like put over them. Oh my god, if you have not tried these and you come across them, get them if you love like seafood. It's so freaking good. So we are going to sit down in the living room and eat and watch, I don't even know what. We haven't gotten that far, I guess. But yeah, my mother has finally joined us for the day. There she is. I'm gonna put this over there. I don't trust either of them. Okay, you guys, so now it is that time of the evening where we are making our little dessert. So Dad and I are gonna make Dole Whips again, and my mom is in charge of doing the cookies.
Cookie dough.
Will you chill? You're not gonna be able to fit that all in that pan.
Oh, I got another pan.
Oh my goodness. Either way, so we're doing cookies and more Dole Whip, and we are currently watching a movie called Splash. Some like 80s movie on Disney Plus. And so yeah, we're gonna do this, watch that movie. Nothing else is really gonna happen tonight because it's literally like 9 o'clock. So we are gonna go ahead and close out this weekend vlog right here. We really hope that you enjoyed hanging out with us. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. You can also come follow me on Instagram at AlyssaMPope, and we will see you next weekend. Bye.